voltage measurement using transformer. ACV non-contact induction voltage, safe to use. Zero firewire identification. Connect the red pin. Use the chest pin to take a single measurement. DC voltage measurement. DC regulated power supply and display. 9-volt battery measurement display. Lithium battery measurement display. 1.5V battery measurement display. R14 battery measurement display. Button battery measurement display. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. Diode measurement. Positive and negative poles need to be aligned. Buzzer to detect whether the line is on or off. Comparison of accuracy. Compared with the table multimeter, the value is very accurate. Drop resistant lanyard, easy to carry.